Hello, Emily here with J. Bowen & Company. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by my booth today. I'm going to talk to you for a couple of minutes and tell you about the products that I carry in my booth. Right in the center of my booth, you're going to see an entire bookshelf full of the beautiful colors of Fusion mineral paint. To the right, you'll see Alchemy paint and also a number of different top coats, cleaners, waxes, gel tops, and stains. You can also find hemp oil, tung oil, paint extenders, and beeswax. You will find an entire shelf of Howard's products, a variety of paintbrushes, milk paint, and pen art products, as well as Whimsykel papers. There are many other products such as applicator pads, sanding blocks, and paint kits that will help you with all of your painting needs. Fusion Mineral Paint has a built-in primer, it's self-leveling, and a built-in top coat. Less is more. So you want to make sure that you don't have too much paint on your brush. About 2 coats should cover in most cases, sometimes 3 in harder to cover colors such as white or a red color. It comes in 2 different sizes, the pint size and the tester size. Alchemy by Fusion is Fusion's newest paint line. It comes in the pint size and the tester size. It has 3 key ingredients: acrylic, limestone, and chalk. If you've ever used Fusion mineral paint, it paints a whole lot like Fusion mineral paint. It goes on very smooth. It does not require a top coat. However, just like with Fusion mineral paint, if it's in a high traffic area, I recommend a top coat such as Ultra Guard or one of the waxes. We also carry some stains, a gel top coat, and a stain finishing oil. You'll find those products in my booth as well. I carry a variety of different paintbrushes, including the Stahlmeister paintbrushes, 2 Alchemy paintbrushes, as well as some more economical brushes and some rollers. If you like that chippy and crackle look, you'll probably love milk paint. It's very easy to use. It comes in these packages. You're just going to open them up. The directions are on the back, and you mix it with some water. Wait about 10 minutes, and then it's ready to go, and you'll mix it up again. But if you like that old-timey chippy look and crackle look, you can achieve that with the milk paint. But if you don't like that look, you can just get an antique look as well with this paint. Here is one of the stain and finishing oils, and here is one of the waxes. I have a variety of colors. These are really great to use. The waxes you just apply and wipe off, and you can do the same with the stains, and after you wipe it off, it already has a built-in sealer. If you're feeling artsy, you should check out these Whimsykel papers. These are 29 inches by 21 inches decoupage papers. You can apply them to furniture, trays, canvases, just about anything, and you get a really cool look. I have examples around my booth on canvases that you can see examples of these Whimsykel papers. Howard's products are a great product if you're into restoring your furniture pieces, restoring wood or leather. It conditions and it cleans. There's all kind of products. Check out that section as well. Those are very popular products and a great brand. Pen art products are great products. You can achieve a very crackle top coat on top of whatever you're painting. I've got 2 different crackles and some other products as well. There's a section of that in my booth. If you're interested in learning more about these products and how to use them, I have over 100 videos on YouTube. I'll put a link to those videos in the description of this and in the comments of this video, and you can head over there and you can check out a number of different videos. I'm so glad that you stopped by, and if you have any questions, please leave the questions in the comments and I'll get back to you.